Let's see. What's going on, YouTube? Y'all already know, man. One on the Solo 32, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Man, get this video to, 50 likes, man. 50, 100 likes or something. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you would, man. Follow us on Instagram at _Solo32. Y'all know how we do, man. Another banger. Gang. Yeah, but we back at it, man. We back at it, man. Got another. Yeah, y'all see how that leather popping. I definitely wanted the other ones. They was out of them, so to cover all this. But yeah, we're gonna order some more. But you heard that in the other video. But anyway, man, got another banger for y'all, man. Recording this in the same day. So yeah, got another upgrade. Check out the key. You know what I'm saying? Got the SRT key. You know what I'm saying? They should have gave us an SRT key with the ScatPack, man. Why y'all do this, man? This got the same motor as the Hellcat, man. You hear me? 6.4 liter, man. We just need that supercharger. We will be adding a supercharger. That's in the future. Gotta find a good tuning shop, and I don't know if we even got one here in Alabama. Well, I know somewhere in Alabama, but not probably my area. But I don't know. But anyway, man, got another interior upgrade for y'all. Y'all see the interior black and everything. You feel me? But we finna change that. Man, got these full cover car mats off of eBay. And yes, they were expensive as heck. But anyway, it came in a big box, plastic wrapped, all that, looking good. But y'all know, man, all red everything over this way. White on red, that's how we rock. But yeah, I'm finna show y'all this. Get to the first one, driver side. It's the driver's side, mo. You feel me? Driver's side. This should be an easy install. You understand me? Shoot. This should be an easy install. Guess it's supposed to go like this.
I want to stick it under there. I ain't bring no tool with me, pull my, you know what I'm saying? We doing the hood style right now. Should have brought a screwdriver, so get this all under there. But we got it. This is your hood. Ooh, this stuff, yeah.
Man, they should have cut this, man. I wonder, do we gotta cut this or something? Do you supposed to cut this joint or what? I don't know if you supposed to cut this, bro.
I guess you can, if you want to.
I don't know, YouTube. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. But I wanted to tuck this mess. But I guess you don't have to tuck it. You can just sit it up like that. But honestly, I do not like how it's sitting on the pedal. That's the only thing. But I guess we have to rock with it like this. I want to cut it right here.
Yeah, I really want to cut this joint, but for the sake of the video, I ain't gonna do all that. Pull that trim up. Go ahead and get her situated. Yeah, I see it situated. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna cut this part though, so we can lay down. But anyway, let me show y'all what I got going on.
This how we rocking, man. That's how it's looking right now. That's how it's looking. Red on red. That's just gonna have to do for right now, y'all. Got this passenger side joint. Working, you feel me? I think this one go in like this. We doing this hood style, you understand? Y'all see how I'm rocking? Like I said, I think you're supposed to, well, I don't really know if you're supposed to cut it or not, but it was made for this car. Tucking it in the grooves, my people. Word. Show y'all. Like I said, I will be cutting this part so it can sit between them. So I ain't gonna video that part, but that's how it's looking. Red on red. That's how it's looking, y'all. This is the rear piece that we installing. I don't even know. Okay, here we go. Next time y'all send some stuff, man, make sure y'all got this stuff right, man. Bending people's stuff up, man. What's up with all this, man? Yeah, like I said before, you might have to maneuver it a little bit. I'm talking about pull trim pieces up. It's kind of crappy, but they done bent my stuff all up, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it bent up right there, man. Take that kind of crap, bro. Yeah, y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Next time y'all send some stuff, eBay, you sellers, make sure y'all don't bend people's stuff up, man. Like for real. That's crap. You might have to cut it a little bit, but you don't mind cutting it, but that's what it is. Like I say, you may have to run your little joints under the trim pieces, but the way they done sent it, man, they done sent it all bent up, and you gotta bend the stuff back, man. Like, I don't like all it. Like I said, it's a real live reaction. This is my first time seeing it outside the box. Cause it just got here this morning. No, it didn't. I'm sorry. I don't want to be lying. It just got here yesterday. I didn't open it and look at it or nothing, but packaging and everything was cool in the plastic, but how they bent it up and all that, got it bent up in the box, man. You know what I'm talking about?
Stay on YouTube. Stay at home, you understand me? That's about the best you're gonna get. Right. That's about the best you're gonna get, man.
About the best you're gonna get, gang. Y'all strap right quick. Yeah. You run the joint up under there. You know what I'm talking about? Run it up under your grooves right here. You know what I'm saying? Push so you can get your little like flat kind of pry tool and do it too. I gotta do this side, so I'm gonna let y'all see this side too.
I don't have a pry tool with me, only. I don't feel like looking for it in my truck, which I know I got one. So I'm just doing it, you know what I'm talking about? Everybody not gonna have pry tool, no way, so it's more like realistic. How you do it.
Anyway. Yeah. Here we go. Flush. Floor's covered, flush. Everything gravy. Yeah, but that's how it is. Y'all tell me how y'all feel about it. I gotta go redo the driver's side. Y'all see this side looking good. Yeah. Push it all up under there. Letting y'all see just everything right now. Y'all tell me what's up. Like I said, cause I'm keeping this car brand new, just the way I bought it. So everything getting touched right now, everything getting covered. That's pretty much it. This, to be honest with y'all, like I said, if you got a pry tool, it's gonna be way faster and easier than what I did. So and there we go. She installed. Like I said, make sure you tuck it under the grooves and everything. But this is the overall look of snow. I want y'all to see this beauty. Look at her from the back. My God, she fat, man. This video is over, man. Y'all already know. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram _solo32, link in the description. And to the next video, man, y'all already know how I'm rocking. Without God, I'm nothing. And remember, if God be for you, more than whole will against you. Make sure you chase your dreams. Believe in God. Believe in yourself. Gang.